myself. I am Janvi Gangotra. I am the student of ATMC in Sydney campus. In the lab task 8, I have done 5 tasks. All the 5 tasks has been done in SAP. First task is to review the material status, use the monitor stocks requirement list, and with the help of the app, first of all you need to find the material number for your deluxe touring bikes. In order to so, click on the material field and press F4, or click on the search icon next to the field. This will produce the material number. Search screen, go to the material by material type tab. Use the icon to display all the search tabs available in the material by material type field. Select finished product, which is FERT. In order to display your touring bikes, only you need to define 2 or more search criteria. First of all, in the material description field, type deluxe with star. Second, in the material field, which is the field for the unique material number, type star hash hash hash. Hash is of 3 times. Remember to replace triple hash with your 3-digit number. Example, star 014 if your number is 014. Finished product deluxe star star triple hash. Compare your entries with the screen below. Before pressing enter or clicking on to start the search, double click on your black touring bike, which will copy its unique material number into material field. You should be displayed a screen similar to the one which is shown in the labs. After that, task second, to review a bill material, use the app maintain bill of material. First of all, create, change and display. I have done this task by using the app maintain bill of material, create, change and display. First of all, we need to find the material number for our deluxe touring bikes. In order to do so, click in the material field and press F4. This will produce the material number search screen. In addition to the material number, in the plants field, select GBI's manufacturing facility in Dallas, that is DLOO, then press enter. We should be displayed by a screen similar to the screen which is shown in the labs. After that, I have done task 3. Task 3 is to review the BOM for your black deluxe touring bikes from a multi-level hierarchy level. To display a multi-level BOM, by using the app multi-level BOM. In this screen, enter material DXTR1 triple hash, or replace triple hash with the your number. For example, plant DLOO and BOM application number is POPP01, that is production general. Under selection, enter 1 required quantity. Then click on to display the BOM structure for your bike valid today, and if there you click on the following screen. In the display field, group select variable list. After that, you will be shown by the final screen which is shown in the labs. After that, task 4, a routing is a series of sequential operation carried out to produce an end product. Routing contains information on where work is to be performed, step then need to be completed, and timeline is assigned for each operation. Routing, to review a routing, use the app display routing, enter DXTR1 triple hash and plant DLOO. Then click on to continue to display the following list of the operation. After that, finding the system menu items, on that we need to click on more, extras, scheduling, then again scheduling. This will produce the screen which is the present in the labs. Enter scheduling type 1 and lot size 10. Click on the screen, find or enter overview variant. the number which is given in the lab and confirm your entry with the following screen. This is the final screen of task 4. After that, task 5th, exercise use the SAP Fiori Launchpad to display a work center. This task is to review a work center in GBI's plant in Dallas. To review a work center and the capacity assigned to it by using the app Display Work Center. In this task we need to calculate, and by entering the calculate selection in this app, enter operation quantity 100 EA, base quantity 1, number of spills 2, setup 7 minutes and labor 7 minutes, then select calculate, the following screen will appear.